Okay, as you can see, we're going out the front door here, and it's looking pretty heavy. Typically around our area here, we don't have storms quite this big very often. As you can see, there's a lot of snow out here. This is the front here. You can see the sidewalk in front of the area here. It's pretty thick. As you can see here, take one step here and you can see how deep the snow actually is. It's still coming down right now. It's approximately about 7 o'clock, and as you can see, we still have snow coming down. Gives you a pretty good indication how much snow we actually have here. As you can see, the cars are pretty well covered. Okay. We'll walk all the way out here so you can see how much there actually is. As you can see, the snowplows tried to make a little bit. They made a little bit of progress, but they're still working on that. As you can see here, we got quite a bit. It's very, very pretty, but there's an awful lot of here. There's a lot of work to be done. All right. I have to get myself ready for work now, but I wanted to thank y'all very much for watching my video. Okay, we'll do one walk through here to the gate. As you can see, it's pretty deep. Okay, we'll do one walk through here to the gate inside the house here. And I want to thank you all again for watching this video. Okay, right now it looks like we have about a foot right now. Okay, all right, and that's what we have so far. As you can see, we have a pretty good amount of snow. All right, thanks a lot for watching, and take care. Okay, this is the second part of my video here. I want to show you how high the snow actually is. Just to give you an indication how much snow we actually have. Here's the top of the snow line. This road is 12 inches tall, so we have over a foot right now. And the snow is still coming down. We're actually getting into the second band now. They cleared the street, and now we're starting to get sleet, and other things are starting to come down. It gives you an idea how much snow we actually have. There is a lot of snow here. I want to thank you all again for checking out my videos today. This is unusual for us. We don't normally get quite this much snow, and I just wanted to show you all how much snow we actually had. And I want to thank you all very much for watching. Okay, take care and stay cool out there.